Because some people don't have a problem. Because them have no hot song. Don't follow them. Them are hypocrite. Check them fight.
Oh, what that a trend? Oh, the trendy dancehall. Up top people, bless up on yourself when you know the style. So Bounty Killer, lick out. Team up with Vybz Kartel and lick out against the people them. Where I do, not people but dancehall artists where I do dub plate for politician, is it? And him also make a post to this Peter Bunting dancehall pushing crime, is it? 2013 article that says crime is on the decrease in the island deadliest police division, but popular cultures continue to hamper government efforts. So they must say dancehall music hamper them efforts. So they must say it a push the crime and this and that. Is it reiterated? So them use that word they also you can read it for yourself. But it has I think that's a national hero that we haven't named officially. It's a Nancy. So with that said, guys, you might try say because Jamaican people seem to love anti-authority and authoritarian elements in our culture. So we love the wrongdoings, you must say basically, some of them. So Peter Bunting also said before quoting lyrics of the song Reparation, which are dancehall artist Vybz Kartel Reparation song, is it? So he must say the quote, this quoted the minister. So this get them attention in a sense. So they make all song Peter and he must say the main speaker at the Rotary Club at Liganit plans meeting in St. Andrew Thursday. One of them long time article they big up every scammer will make US dollars. So the dog I try say evil song they make out of the thing them what them do is basically in a sense where some people why you would do that, they might try say them nah really mix Cartel on the other hand now. Him done burn out the people them from morning when them go dub settings, is it? Cartel first must set up some post dancehall burn politics now artists doing dubs for them. SMH must stop the conscious song about ya. I be a gun lyrics cause you beyond learning TPC and I don't know what that means. But me as a person who know Cartel is it and I'll be a good song you do. If I you for do good song, yes I would have heard still, but big up yourself, is me. So Mr. Vegas come out forward out and is it put two twos together, read up them file and that the things them basically. So after me listen what him have to say, me have to share it with you. So you see if you can get an understanding and comment what you think about what him say.
Blessed love people, this is Subi, otherwise known as Mr. Vegas. I want to talk to the artists that are doing dub plates for politicians. Artists, eat enough food. If politicians want 100 dub plates, sing until you're hoarse. Eat your food. Take care of your responsibilities. Not for who attack because them not have no hot songs where the politician them want and dub plates. That's the reason why them talking out. You know why I say that? Because they are hypocrites. Check them file. How many of them we attack out go perform at political events in Antigua, Guyana, Trinidad, St. Kitts, all over the place, all over the Caribbean, and get them $20,000 and $30,000. So them have a problem with you doing a little dub plate for collect a little $30,000, little $40,000, $50,000. If the politician want to give you $50,000 to do a dub plate to sing your hit song for him and put him name in it, go ahead and eat your food. We're in a pandemic. You don't know when you're going to see a stage show again. And if you're pulling elastic, man, and you're not tying back any, you're going to go broke. We don't know when we are going to see a stage show again. We don't know if them are going to say, boy, we have to get vaccinated before we can go anywhere in the world to perform for people. And people have to get vaccinated before them can come and see us. So our industry right now is struggling because of the pandemic. So if you get an opportunity to eat a little food from politicians, eat your food and stay out of the politics. Sing your song, sing for Lisa Anna, sing for all, sing for who you want to sing for. Sing for the Prime Minister, sing for Nesta, them sing for anybody you want to sing for. Because some people don't have a problem. Because them have no hot song. Don't follow them. Them are hypocrite. Check them file. Them fly out go perform for political parties overseas. So politics overseas, them no deal with corruption too. Now black people, them a rule over too. I don't deal with hypocrites people. Eat no food artists. TJ Sensi, all I want to name. Eat no food. Have a new song. Just in case you don't think so, I love talk alone. Well, yeah, man. Prime Minister, link me. I am blessed. I am blessed. Oh, I did that one there already for Nesta. Oh, you can't get that one the Prime Minister. Your money have enough. Yeah. Eat no food artists. Now listen to them. Badmind a kill them. Badmind a kill them.